The Honda N-Van 2027 shown in these images presents a practical yet stylish approach to the modern compact van. Its bright red exterior immediately gives it a sporty and energetic appearance, while the large body provides the kind of space that makes a van useful for families, business owners, and everyday transportation. The design looks more premium than a traditional utility van, giving the vehicle a strong road presence. From the front, the vehicle has a bold Honda grille with a large chrome treatment and sharp-looking headlights. The lower bumper features a sporty black mesh design and fog light housings that add character. The sculpted bonnet and smooth front lines make the van look more aerodynamic and modern. Overall, the front-end styling gives the N-Van a more passenger car-like appearance rather than making it look purely commercial. The side profile is where the practical nature of the vehicle becomes especially clear. The long body, large windows, sliding doors, and relatively tall roof provide plenty of usable space. The red paint combined with black window surrounds and chrome door handles creates a premium contrast. The alloy-style wheels also make the vehicle look more sophisticated than a basic work van. At the rear, the N-Van has a large tailgate and a wide glass area, which should make loading and unloading easier. The vertical rear lighting design gives the vehicle a recognizable appearance while maintaining a practical shape. The large rear opening is particularly useful for carrying luggage, equipment, shopping, or other cargo. For people who prioritize practicality, this is one of the strongest aspects of the vehicle. Inside, the cabin shown in the images has a simple and functional layout. The dashboard is predominantly dark, giving it a clean and modern appearance. The steering wheel carries the Honda badge, while the instrument cluster is positioned clearly in front of the driver. The controls appear arranged with everyday usability in mind rather than unnecessary complexity. The front seats look reasonably supportive and comfortable, with a fabric-style finish and integrated headrests. There is also a useful amount of space around the driver and front passenger areas. The high seating position should provide good visibility, which can be particularly helpful when driving in crowded city streets. For long journeys, however, actual comfort will depend on the final seat design and available adjustment features. One of the most attractive qualities of this vehicle is its emphasis on practicality. A compact van needs to make efficient use of every inch of interior space, and the tall roof and boxy body shape are well suited to that purpose. Whether used for family trips, small business work, or daily transportation, the N-Van concept offers flexibility that a conventional sedan cannot easily match. The large side windows should also help create a brighter cabin and improve visibility. This is important in a vehicle with a taller body because good visibility can make parking and maneuvering easier. The sliding door configuration is another practical advantage, especially in narrow parking spaces where a conventional door may be difficult to open fully. In terms of exterior styling, the red version shown here is arguably one of the most attractive choices. The glossy red paint highlights the vehicle's body contours, while the black trim around the windows gives it a more modern look. Chrome details around the handles and front grille add a premium touch. It manages to combine a family-friendly appearance with a slightly sporty character. Performance specifications for a 2027 N-Van would depend on the exact market and Honda's final production configuration, so the engine, transmission, fuel economy, and power figures should be confirmed from official specifications before making a purchase decision. What matters most for this type of vehicle is usually smooth low-speed driving, easy maneuverability, efficient fuel consumption, and enough power for passengers and cargo. For city driving, a compact van like this can be very practical. The upright driving position, large glass areas, and relatively compact proportions should make it easier to navigate busy streets. The vehicle's design also appears suitable for frequent stops and loading, making it potentially useful for delivery work and small businesses. Safety will also be an important consideration for buyers. Modern Honda vehicles typically focus heavily on driver assistance and occupant protection technologies, but the exact safety equipment on a 2027 N-Van can vary by trim and market. Buyers should check whether features such as automatic emergency braking, lane assistance, adaptive cruise control, parking assistance, airbags, and a reversing camera are included on the specific version they are considering. The vehicle also has strong potential as a family van because it offers more vertical and usable space than many conventional cars. Parents could benefit from the easy access doors and flexible interior, while passengers can appreciate the higher seating position. If Honda provides multiple seating and cargo configurations, the vehicle could become even more versatile for different lifestyles. Overall, the Honda N Van 2027 shown in these images looks like a practical vehicle that does not sacrifice style. Its strongest qualities are its spacious-looking body, sliding door practicality, modern exterior, useful cabin design, and versatile character. The red finish gives it an especially appealing appearance, making it suitable for buyers who want something functional but still visually distinctive. My overall impression is that this N van concept could be an excellent choice for someone who needs one vehicle to handle work, family duties, city driving, and everyday cargo. The final verdict will depend on its official engine options, interior space, technology, safety equipment, pricing, and availability in each market. Based on the design shown here, however, the 2027 Honda N van has the potential to be a very interesting compact van for practical buyers who want Honda reliability combined with modern styling.